Welcome to this module, our services. We all know that the power sector as a discipline is very wide with different sections, but basically we are into solar system design. We start any project design by proper energy audit of the facility. We dwell on this on Solar Installation 101. We are in Solar Installation 102. After a proper power audit to ascertain the electrical loads that will be used on the solar components or the solar system, we go back to the office to design the different solar components that will be run with the solar components or the solar system, including your solar inverter, the solar battery bank, the solar panels, the charge controllers or controllers with the accessories that will be used during the installation process. During the power audit exercise, we take into consideration, because these are the things that will determine the size of any solar system. So we take into cognizance the electrical loads that will be used on the solar system or the solar components. We will take into consideration the roof information to ascertain whether the space available on the roof will be enough for us to mount the solar components or the solar panels. Then we look at the electrical architecture of the building to know how well the electrical architecture will suit into our design, whether there will be some amendments. We also take into cognizance the duration of usage of each of the electrical loads, as these will certainly affect our design. We consider the sun hours on the sites, and we ask the clients of how his electrical demand will be 3, 5 to 10 years after we might have finished our installation. This and other information that we have already discussed in Solar Installation 101 will guide us to design a solar system that cannot fail us. That is how we do it. After the design stage, we move into writing quotation and material selection. We use the best materials available from top solar manufacturers globally, irrespective of the price. Then we proceed to installation. We bring our professionalism to bear in our installation. If you have visited our website or our Telegram group, you understand what we are saying here. We pay attention to small details. In Solar Installation 101, we kept talking about small details. Small details with the requisite protection or protective measures, our installation will never fail us. and it will give us the needed results we always yearn for. The solar components, like any other gadget, needs maintenance. We all know this. So we undertake maintenance of our solar components, or if you want to consult us to maintain your solar components for you, you can do well to contact us. This is to give us optimum productivity and durability. Solar components requires maintenance. If the components were properly designed and installed with proper maintenance, you are guaranteed at least a decade when we finish installing your installation for you. Your solar installation can take you for 10 years. We kept visiting our installation sites to check on our systems. That means we don't just abandon our clients to struggle with the system. It is our responsibility, our sole responsibility, because when the system give the clients the needed return on investment, our hearts, our mind will be at peace. So we keep visiting our sites to know how the components are faring. The solar industry cannot be complete without the conventional electrical industry. So, as part of our services, we handle general electrical design, and the process is as already discussed. We follow the same approach. We handle installation, and we as well handle maintenance. That means if you contact Subway Energy Limited, or if you make Subway Energy Limited your preferred brand, you are guaranteed of the best installation when it comes to power generation. We handle sales of solar and electrical components. A visit to our website www.subwaylimited.com will shock you. We handle trainings and consulting. Our training platforms are among the leading training platforms you can ever imagine, with the latest and up-to-date information, as you will see in the course of this training. We are going to give you nothing but the best and the latest information in the industry. Our consulting services is superb. Just give us a call. Feel free, relax, as we take you on a ride and reveal to you some of the hidden secrets in the solar industry.